Hello friends, welcome to Offlip update. Friends, in Offlip application, Offlip Pay, you are not going to use any kind of services without approved KYC. Once you are doing the registration, after login your application Offlip Pay, first activity that is required is you have to complete your KYC. You have to raise your KYC. How you can raise your KYC in Offlip Pay? Some people are doing many mistakes. Today I will clear it. There are three steps of KYC. Let's move on. I will tell you. Let's move to the Offlip Pay application, friend. Just give me 1 minute, friend. Yes, this is the Offlip Pay application, friend. In front of you, you can see. Like this, the preface comes when you open your Offlip Pay application, friend. Just see on the top of the right side, there is one red color circle. Three lines are there, ups and down. It is profile icon. Just click this one like this. Once you will click this one like this, you will meet this page. You will find this type of preface again. See here again, circle member details. You have to click this member detail. After that, like this preface will come in your mobile. You can read member details downside. Profile, you have to your first step of KYC. Account details, second step of your KYC, and third step KYC upload, friend. You have to do these three steps one by one, but don't try to upload KYC. Don't try to go account detail first. Never. You cannot raise your KYC going like this. First step, profile. You have to update your profile. So you have to click profile. First one. Once you will click profile, see here profile, click first profile. You will find like this preface. It will come in your mobile, friend. See here three edit portion you have to complete. First one, edit personal info, you have to click this one. Second, edit contact info, you have to click. And third one, edit nominee. Three steps you have to do in profile. First, you will edit personal info. Once you will click personal info, like this preface you will find. Here you have to write your father's name, father's or husband name, write correct, which is found in your Aadhaar card. Don't write wrong. Second step, female, married portion, Aadhaar card and PAN card. You have to fill easily. Then you have to you have to click update, friend. Once you will click update, one circle will go, and here you will find one symbol, updated successfully. Until it is not completing, you have to wait here. Once it is updated, you will have to edit again second one. You have to edit second one that you have seen earlier. Now you have to put contact information, your address, correct address which is in your Aadhaar card. Your state will automatically come. Country you have to write India. Pin code write. Mobile number you have to write. Email ID, correct email ID which is running right here. Then again click update. Again update successfully, you will find here one symbol. Until you are not finding, you have to wait. Next we will move third one in profile, nominee information. Once you will click edit one there, like this preface will come. Write the nominee. After your, suppose any casualty happens to you and this is your business, who will be taking over of this business? Who will be the owner after you? The nominee whom you have written here, he will be or she will be the owner. So write the name very carefully. Nominee mobile number you have to write. Relationship with applicant you have to write here. Then press click update, friend. Wait here, update successfully, write this will come. Then again, friend, you have to move here like this. I will show you first step completed. You have to go again second step. You have to come again here. Account details. Once you are coming here, account detail, like this preface will come, friend. See here. Like this preface will come. You have to edit, click edit bank detail. Once you will click here, you will find another page. You have to write the account holder name, bank name, account number, branch name and IFC code. All these things you have to write here, and then again you have to update. Once you will update, you have to wait here until it is not showing successful. Once you have completed this one, completed, then again you have to come here, same portion here, third one, KYC upload. You have to click again here, then you will again go here, update. Like this preface will come. Automatically your member ID will be here and your name will be found here. Friend, see here, capture Aadhaar card front copy. You have to click this one. Once you will click here, you will go to camera and you have to put your Aadhaar card and you have to click the Aadhaar card front portion. Once you will click here, you have to save this one. Your Aadhaar card front portion will be visible here. Then again you have to click this one, capture Aadhaar card back copy. In the back side, again you have to put downside and take the picture and click this one. Your second, in the back portion of your Aadhaar card will be visible here. Then again third one, capture PAN card image. Same, put PAN card downside and take the picture so that it should be visible. Clearly it can be seen, it can be read. Your Aadhaar card will again show here. Your Aadhaar card and PAN card is clear. Now next, you will find here captured cancelled check passbook. Friend, you have to write here, keep your passbook or cancelled checkbook, but remember where you sign, the name of the account holder must be written there. Then click the picture, this one again, and like this the picture will come. And then last one, capture self photo with ID. Friend, here people are doing some mistake. They are taking the selfie and only uploading. Don't do mistake this like this, friend. Take one ID in your hand, either Aadhaar card or PAN card in your hand, and give your mobile phone to someone who will click the picture so that your face and your ID card must be visible. Once it is also clear, your face and your ID card, Aadhaar card or PAN card or any ID card must be visible here, then you have to do the final submit. Green color, one box is here. Click this one, final submit. Once you do this one, friend, you have to wait here 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, not more than. If your network is good, within 10 to 30 seconds, it will be clear. Until it is not going to your home page, you have to wait. You have to wait, friend. Automatically, once your this KYC all will be uploaded, automatically you will reach where? Your home page of your Flip Pay application. Automatically you will reach there. Until it is not going automatically, you have to wait here. Friend, remember this thing. And your KYC will be uploaded. Very soon your KYC will be approved from your from office. It is clear. I will tell you here again, friend, sometimes there is one mistake because of some issue. If your KYC is rejected due to your Aadhaar card or bank detail or PAN card or selfie, anyhow, if your KYC is rejected because of these reasons, you have to raise again, because here final submit, downside you will find here your KYC has been rejected, and reasons will be mentioned also here, downside. Reasons why it is rejected, reason will be also there. Remember, again you have to upload all the PAN card, Aadhaar card, and your bank detail, and even selfie. Sometimes people are doing mistake. They are suppose I will tell you your bank passbook is not visible, because of this reason your KYC has been rejected, and you find the problem here your bank detail is not visible, not clear. The people are doing only, they are uploading only this bank detail. No friend, don't do this mistake. You upload again one by one your Aadhaar card, once again front portion your Aadhaar card, back portion your PAN card, even your this passbook, and even your selfie pic with ID. Complete these 4 steps once again. Some people say, sir, it is showing. It is showing. Then why? No friend, don't do this thing. Either it is showing or not, but you have to follow, you have to update again all the images of your ID, friend. Remember this thing. Then you have to click again final submit. This is the correct process. By doing all these things, never your KYC will be hold, never it will be stuck, because people are complaining we have raised and it is showing pending. It will show pending, friend, until you will not complete this one, and from office you cannot get the approval, friend. Remember this thing. Some people are doing, they are completing the first step of KYC. Profile they have updated, and as you are completing the profile, your downside it will start showing KYC is pending. People are thinking I have done all the work. No friend, 3 steps you have to complete all one by one. One by one all you have to do. Profile you have to update, then second step account details. After completing account details, then you have to come to the KYC upload. 3 steps complete you have to do. Never your KYC will be stuck, never will be hold, and very easily you will get the approval. So follow these steps, friend. Thank you, friends. Share this video to everyone. Those who don't understand Hindi, share this video to all and everyone. All the updates of OflipPay you will get here in both languages, Hindi as well as English, friend. If any videos you want from your side, so please suggest us. Write us. We will make the video and we will give to you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Take good care of yourself.